change. Only forms of punishment, discipline and punish will go on, and this is a very vicious circle. So this is an inclusive gender-based movement. If you look at our symbols around, it's also on my body. I mean, we have all the three sex symbols all together, and that's what you have pitched, that it's one struggle, so let's unite. So that's about it.
Do you really think that the women in Kolkata or in West Bengal, I think not so safe, at least in this political job, but do you really think that such kind of thing can feed the government's mentality so far? Because one of our MLA also said that the women should concentrate on their dressing. So what do you think?
There are two things at stake. If we are to look out for what the administration is doing, of course there are a lot of laws already present that work towards the betterment, or rather to help the situation where victims are not further victimized. But proper implementation is to be done, A. And number two, the kind of comments that has come with famous eminent personalities in whatever areas, that has come because of this patriarchal conditioning, the notion that this is a compliment, this is a cuss word, and that's exactly why we have also stuck to the name Slut Walk. We want to reclaim the notion of slut. You can replace the word slut with any other thing, but the malice remains. It is the malice that we intend to hit upon. And yeah, only if people let them react in a positive manner, in a negative manner, but let them react. Until unless they don't react, they will not ask questions, and if they don't ask questions, we cannot have addressing of the problems, and we cannot work towards a solution. So that's a long process, it's a long chain process. It will take time, but yeah, this is our initiative, and considering the kind of response that we have had last year, we are really optimistic for this year, so let's see.
So we can say that this is a message that you want to give to the government or to the people.
This is a message that we want to give to the mass at large, who are not gender conscious. They don't know whether they're victimized or not, number one. Number two, even if someone tells them that you are victimized, what kind of victimization are you talking about, and who is someone else to tell them? It is something that you need to feel in your psyche, in your intellect, in your body. Through constant internalization, you have to do that. You have to ask questions. So it is our pledge to each and every one of us. We don't have any umbrella term that okay, this is this kind of a movement or that kind of a movement involving this group or that group. The only umbrella term that we have used is Kolkata, because it is happening at Kolkata. So yeah, I mean, whatever little that we can do is that yeah, we can ask people of Kolkata and around. Like, there have been a lot of people participating from the suburbs. They have come here already. And yeah, come out and show solidarity for survivors, for victims, and for yourselves.
Thank you very much. Your name, please?
Sulakshana Biswas.
And you are?
I started the Slut Walk movement last year, and then you see everyone else joined in within 1 month of setting up the Facebook group page. And yeah, and this time they are all here again. Some people have traveled from Pune and Bombay because they have gone out for their studies and all. They had come back especially to work for Slut Walk Kolkata for a week or two. And yeah, that's awesome.
Thank you.
আমি একটু পরে কথা বলি ভীষণ মিডিয়া বাইট দেন মিডিয়া বাইট